Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you a detailed tutorial on how to get started with NordVPN, one of the best VPNs on the market. I'll provide you with everything you need to know and share all its capabilities. If you're looking for a quality and secure VPN with reliable features that will help you keep your online activities private and safe, then this video is for you. If you're interested in NordVPN, click the link in the description below. With this link, you can get up to 75% discount on your subscription. All you have to do is click on Get the Deal and the discount will automatically be applied. You'll also get an additional 4 months on your subscription on top of your discount. This is the best deal on the internet. On this video, I'll be answering all your questions on how to use NordVPN for browsing, streaming, and torrenting. Instead of just telling you that NordVPN is the best VPN on the market, I will highlight each feature so you can decide whether to get it or not. Without further ado, let's get started. After a recent update, you might notice something different when you open the app. Instead of seeing the usual map where you can pick your server by clicking on different countries, you'll be greeted with a homepage. But don't worry, the map is still available. You just need to click on the little globe icon on the left side of the screen to access it. So even though the layout has changed a bit, all the functions are still there, which you can explore anytime. Quick Connect gives you the optimal location with the best performance. I also like to highlight the kill switch feature, since in my personal opinion, it's really important to keep it on no matter what the situation is. It works by cutting off your internet connection until the VPN is back up and running, ensuring that none of your sensitive data gets leaked during the internet connection issue. I always make sure to keep this feature turned on, because let's face it, none of us want our personal information flying around unprotected on the internet. Now let's talk about threat protection. It's like having a shield around your online activities, protecting you from digital malware. This feature combines the powers of ad blocking and real-time antivirus protection into one tool. When it comes to streaming, certain countries like the UK, Japan, India, and the Netherlands have the most amazing content options to choose from. And guess what? NordVPN effortlessly connects you to servers in these countries and many more, making it easy to unlock a whole world of entertainment options. Trust me, once you experience the fast and easy streaming experience it offers, you'll never look back. With my experience with NordVPN, the performance is so smooth that I didn't even notice that I'm using a VPN. So whatever show in a specific country you want to watch, you'll be able to do so without any hassle. Now I'll provide you the steps on how to push NordVPN's speed to its maximum capacity. First things first, you will need to head over to the settings menu. It is the little gear icon usually in the corner of your screen. Simply click on it and now you're in the settings. Next up, look for the connection tab. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu for VPN protocols. Now choose NordLynx from the drop-down menu. This is the key when it comes to boosting your connection speed. NordLynx is responsible for handling your connection, keeping things secure, and most importantly, keeping up the speed to turbo mode. On average, NordVPN manages to maintain 90% of your baseline speed. So if you're tired of waiting around for pages to load or videos to buffer, NordLynx is your new best friend. Now let's talk about split tunneling. Here's the deal. Split tunneling allows you to connect only specific apps through the VPN while leaving the rest of your apps connected to the regular internet. Now let's break down why NordVPN is the top choice for VPN users. First off, their no logs policy is solid and secure, but NordVPN isn't just about security, it's also about delivering a top quality experience. Their servers provide lightning fast speeds, promising smooth browsing and streaming. Plus, NordVPN fully supports streaming and torrenting, making it the perfect all-in-one solution for all your online needs. And now that you've learned how to use the benefits of NordVPN, you're provided with the knowledge to make the most out of your VPN experience. NordVPN is easily the top choice for a VPN. It provides lots of features at a great price, while also keeping your online activities really safe. If you use my link below, you can get a huge discount of up to 75% off and 4 extra months free. This deal's so good, it's basically the best you'll find online. So which part of this tutorial did you find most useful? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any other questions or topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to drop them below as well. I genuinely recommend giving it a shot, and I'm confident that you'll find it helpful too. That's all for now. Wishing you a fantastic day ahead.